Good day. My name is Logramna Subramania. Today I'm going to present about introduction. Libre Appliance Kluang Sdn Bhd was established in Malaysia on May 13, 1986. It is a manufacturer of ventilation, heating, air conditioning, and commercial air refrigeration equipment. In 2007, the Libre Group established the production firm Libre Appliance Kluang Sdn Bhd after acquiring a Malaysian refrigerator manufacturer. A total of 380 employees work in this company. The extent of this company is 39,700 meters square. Libre company has two branches, which is at Kluang and Shah Alam. Next, moving to interview session.
First question is tell us about the biggest failure of your professional career. The answer was given by engineer. Biggest failure is that during my first year of working, I was assigned to handle one of my company's new clients. I did not pay too much attention to the project and did not miss our important due date, causing the company to pay some fine due to late progress company. I was too busy focusing in our supplies shortage issues instead of handling customer clients' requirement. The second question is have you ever experienced complication after doing the right things? Yes. The engineer was having the complication. It has become a trend of where workers normally ignore safety of the site and take a granted, especially on those included to wear proper PPE. It is impact my project progress afterward, where the workers work much slower than what they have to do. The third question is the detail of the situation where you had to comply with the rule you disagree with. Many of the answer is many of the companies need to go through open trader for project and they want to, and from there they will be starting their price and budget. From my experience, company with the instant process will gain much advantage as they will know the project cost and in some situations they might know of other competitor pricing trader. Ethically, this is not what we should practice. Thank you.
Moving to safety and health issues. My first question is, what is the risk assessment process in your field? The engineer answered that in order to identify hazard, it is necessary for them to find out who might be affected and how they are being affected and evaluate risk, decide on precautions action. Moving to next question. What step might you take to improve this organization health and safety culture? The engineer said, in every morning, the safety team will give some briefing about the safety procedures, and the safety briefing normally provided for the production and technician teams. The engineer also told that a safety training will be conducted once in a year by the safety engineers. Then, next question number 3. What personal protective equipment is required for your workplace and why? The engineer said the PPE equipment that are required in production site are helmets, safety shoe and earplug. And the engineer also explained about the PPE. The helmet being used in order to avoid head injuries whenever there is accidental motion from the high areas. And the safety shoe are used to protect their legs from injuries. Then the earplug are used to avoid internal damage of eardrum due to the exposure to sound with high frequency.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nazar Fahmi bin Abdul Rahim. My matrix ID is A19004. So my part is for environmental aspects. So the environment is an important aspect in the industry. So the first question that we asked to the engineer there is about the importance of environment aspect in the factory. So the engineer give answer that the environmental aspect is important in the industry because it plays the biggest role in industry, as it will provide a safe and comfortable workplace to the workers. So the next question is about the manufacturing process optimized to minimize waste, utilize alternative energy, and improve waste disposal through recycle, reuse, and composting. So the engineer said yes, because the factory normally conduct a meeting every quarter of the year on the management of factory waste. So the last question that we asked about how the company prevent any waste, they said that the waste is not something that could be prevented, but it will be minimized. So the company emphasizes the TI, which is reducing, reusing, and recycling. So the environment aspect of the industry is an important consideration that can have a significant impact on both industry itself and their surrounding environment.
Assalamualaikum and hello, my name is Muhammad Zamri Amarat, AD100237, and I will present about the subtopic of public interest and societal impact. So several questions were asked to the engineer about this topic. So the first question is to differentiate between the public interest and societal impacts from the perspective of quality engineering. The answer is from the perspective of the engineer. Public interest in the welfare of well-being of the general public, while social impacts are the effect on people and communities that happen as a result of an action or inaction, activity, project, program, or policy. The next question is, does engineer show at all times to serve the public interest along with the reason? So the answer is, the engineer said that quality engineer must make sure the quality of meet the specification and serve the public interest. It is a public interest that keeps their products and sales growing every year. This shows that public interest plays important role to the quality of the product, so that will give satisfaction to the user and achieve the company vision and mission. The last question is the role of quality engineering in responding to society's needs as well as in shaping them. The answer is, according to the engineer, few steps need to be taken. In the early stages, proper study must be conducted on the impact, pros and cons, if any of the changes are being made. Once a full study has been conducted, early implementation or testing stage is a must to ensure no loophole or mistake are done. The findings show that quality engineering will make proper and detailed evaluation in order to fulfill society's need and give benefit to them. So, from the questions and the answers, we can learn that public interest and societal impacts are always linked to the quality engineering, so that the engineering contribute to the better life quality for the humankind.
Good day everyone, I'm Vishnu, matric number DD 2012. Today I'll be talking on questions related on legal issues that I asked the engineer. So the first question was, what kind of legal complication usually the company faces? So from what we heard from the engineer was that the engineer told the common issues was to comply the ISO standards or the OSHA standards. The second question was, is there any challenging legal issues faced by your company? So the engineer told that currently they are not facing any legal issues from the company side. And the last question was, how was this type of legal problems can be overcome? So the engineer told that no matter what type of legal actions and problem faced, they need to go back to the basic procedure, retrace all the working procedures and check whether it met our standard. From there, they could point out the issues and tackle it from there. Thank you.